In this video tutorial, we will give step-by-step instructions on how to install Orient Aero Series ceiling fan. We will show you how to install the fan with a normal ceiling, fall ceiling and slant ceiling. Let us proceed with the first step, which is to unbox the fan. To unbox the fan, spread a soft cloth like a bed sheet on a table or any other flat surface. Slit the tape and open the box. Pull the components of the fan out of the box one by one. The box will have following components: fan's down rod and down rod cover, top and bottom canopy, motor, blades of the fan, shackle kit, a pack of screws, warranty card. Take out all the parts from the polythene wraps and start assembling them. Unscrew the screws from the motor, remove and discard the plastic washers. Place the blades in the small socket. The blades are designed to fit in the socket easily. Screw the bolts back in the motor through these fan blades. Rotate them clockwise diagonally. Screws have to be tightened alternately. Airthrow of the fan is conical and the recommended height of the fan from the ground is 9 feet. Assemble the fan as required. This is done on the table and mounted on ceiling later. Before you begin with the mounting, ensure that the power supply to the line is disconnected. Unscrew the shackle kit bolt and insert the shackle kit into the ceiling hook. Once the shackle kit fits properly into the ceiling hook, fix the down rod with shackle kit with the help of shackle kit bolt. If the length of the wire coming out of the electrical point provided in the ceiling is less, take 2 electrical wires of adequate size and insert these from the down rod hole and connect with the wire in the ceiling. After this, insert top canopy into down rod cover from the bottom side. If you have a fall ceiling or there is a problem in fixing of down rod cover due to the lesser gap, you may reduce the size of down rod cover suitably by cutting lower part, that is, the open end of the down rod cover with a simple hacksaw blade. If there is already a down rod installed in the ceiling, it is recommended to remove the old down rod and use the one given with the fan. Fix the down rod cover with top and bottom canopy and push this assembly upwards closer to the ceiling. Fix the shackle bolt with the split pin both on down rod as well as spindle and connect the electrical wires. The blade assembly screw should be fixed with either a box spanner or a proper key. This is required to ensure the bolts are tightly fastened and they don't loosen up in time. Adjust the bottom canopy appropriately and tighten it on the down rod cover with canopy screw. Now, your fan is installed properly and is ready for use. You may face a situation where the ceiling is diagonal. The diagonal ceiling is of 3 types: slant ceiling with beams, sloped ceiling, and vaulted ceiling. When you install the fan on such a ceiling, ensure that the distance of the lower side of the roof is minimum 10 inches from the blade. In case the distance is less, you may have to use a longer down rod. In case of a sloped ceiling, the fan may wobble at the time of operation. This is caused due to the imbalanced air pressure or thrust due to the varied distance between ceiling and blade and is not the symptom of a faulty product. Instruction for fans with remote. Fans that come with remote do not require a regulator. In case the regulator is already installed, get the regulator disconnected. Remote operations. Some models of Aero Series fan come with a remote. To use the remote, point it in the direction of the fan. Push any button to activate the sensor of the remote in the fan. You will see a small light blink. It will indicate that the fan sensor is active. Push button to increase or decrease the speed of the fan. The fan can be turned on and off with the red button on the remote. The same installation process can be applied for the other variants of the Aero Series fans.